Hello learners, we have seen till now the metabolism, bioavailability, chemical structure and the effect of processing on lycopene. Let us now understand the physiological and the significance of lycopene on human health. The effect of lycopene towards numerous diseases have been earlierly studied by many researchers and scientists. The protective effect of lycopene have been shown on oxidative stress, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, hypertension, diabetes and many other diseases. However, there are still no conclusive result reported that due to the fact studies on role of lycopene against this disease is still ongoing. In this module, we will be understanding the role of lycopene, its mechanism of action as an antioxidant and as a role of functional food to prevent disease. Let's first see the role of lycopene as antioxidant and its mechanism of action. The objective of this module is to emphasize the health benefits of lycopene. Secondly, to see the commercial and the food products available in the market with lycopene. Lycopene as an antioxidant and its mechanism of action. Let us understand this first. Numerous studies have specified that lycopene is an active antioxidant and free radical scavenger. Lycopene, because of its high number of conjugated double bond, exhibit higher singlet oxygen quenching ability. The highly conjugated double bond of lycopene play the most important role in energy transfer reaction. Lycopene has quenching ability towards singlet oxygen based on the excited energy state and is greatly related to length of conjugated double bond system. The physical quenching rate of lycopene was 2 times higher than beta carotene and 10 times higher than alpha tocopherol. The mechanism of action of lycopene towards the reactive species was predicted through 3 possible mechanisms. 1. Adduct formation. 2nd. Electron transfer to radical. 3rd. Allylic hydrogen abstraction. Lycopene is still an important inhibiting lipid radical at membranes as first the defense system of the cells. Moreover, combination of lycopene and other antioxidant is also important in scavenging of reactive species. Let us now see the lycopene and coronary heart disease. Coronary artery disease is one of the primary cause of death globally. Unhealthy lifestyle, genetic dominance, stress, oxidation of LDL cholesterol has been found to be a major contributory for the development of disease. A number of in vitro studies have shown that lycopene can protect native LDL from oxidation and can suppress cholesterol synthesis. Studies have shown that dietary lycopene supplementation once a day for a week each provided through tomato juice providing 50.4 mg of lycopene, spaghetti sauce providing 39.2 mg of lycopene and tomato olorezine providing 75 mg of lycopene will significantly increase serum lycopene. Their study have showed that serum lipid peroxidation and LDL oxidation significantly decreased after consuming lycopene rich food, even though no difference was found in serum cholesterol. Now let us understand the fact of lycopene and cancer. Lycopene was found to be superior to beta carotene in inhibiting cell proliferation in various human epithelial cancer. Initiation and progression of rat mammary tumors was suppressed by lycopene but not by beta-carotene. Lycopene was also reported to reduce the risk of prostate, lung, leukemic and digestive tract cancer. Lycopene was able to delay high-grade prostate interepithelial neoplasia from developing into prostate cancer and also inversely related to prostate-specific antigen. Besides, lycopene was able to inhibit the proliferation of prostate cancer cell. The antioxidative properties of lycopene was significantly diminished the DNA damage in prostate tissues. Protective effects were also achieved with the increased consumption of lycopene-rich diet. Collectively, many meta-analysis studies concluded that intake of lycopene or lycopene-containing food decreases the risk of rising prostate cancer. Epidemiological studies suggest that higher intake of lycopene is associated with reduced risk of lung cancer. Lycopene has significantly inversed the proliferation of human colon carcinoma, chronic lymphocyte leukemia. However, no anti-proliferation effect was found in lycopene-treated skin carcinoma, prostate carcinoma, lung carcinoma and breast carcinoma. Let us now understand the role of lycopene and diabetes. Lycopene is closely related to various metabolic complications, especially for diabetes. Serum lycopene is inversely associated with type 2 diabetes and impaired glucose metabolism. The fact is proven that plasma glucose and fasting insulin concentration decrease significantly with increase in serum lycopene. Studies have found that plasma lycopene were significantly lower in old diabetic patients as compared to control, while significantly inverse correlation were found between age and lycopene. Let us now see the oxidative metabolite of lycopene. Researchers have recently used the term lycopenoids to refer to oxidative product of lycopene that contain at least one oxygen atom. Historically, lycopenoids have been reported in tomatoes and tomato product, but only recently have they gathered attention from individual interest in potential health benefits of lycopene or its metabolites. This is a newfound interest is largely stimulated by recent discovery of a second carotenoid cleavage enzyme in mammals that is called beta-carotene oxygenase 2, that is BCO2, and the possibility that it may cleave lycopene to produce metabolites. A handful of lycopenoids have been identified in food products. APO6 lycopenol and APO8 lycopenols were reported in tomato paste. Skin aging and lycopene. Singlet oxygen produced during exposure to ultraviolet light is a primary cause of skin aging. Lycopene may be the most powerful carotenoid quencher of singlet oxygen, being 100 times more efficient in test tube studies of singlet oxygen quenching action than vitamin E, which in turn has 125 times the quenching action of glutathione. Thus, lycopene can terminate autooxidation and prevent skin aging. Let us now understand the commercial products of lycopene. The food processing byproduct from the tomato puree and the sauce industry are commonly used in the development of lycopene-rich products. It has been reported that tomato skin contain high amount of lycopene. There are initiatives by the food scientists to recycle lycopene-rich products as a food ingredient. The fortification with lycopene in dry fermented sausages was also done by adding dried tomato peel to the meat mixture during the sausages production. The development of extrusion processing using barley tomato blend and processed into the snacks. Besides the enrichment of low quality edible oils such as refined olive oil, extra virgin olive oil and refined sunflower oil by lycopene from tomato peels or tomato puree was proven to be induced thermal stability to these edible oils. The idea of using lycopene rich byproducts from tomato peel and sit for the hen feed will further enrich the egg yolk with lycopene. However, only low amount of lycopene were found to be transferred to egg yolk, say approximately 0.1% from tomato peels and 0.7% from tomato seeds. We all are already aware about lycopene rich product consumed is tomato ketchup. Hope learners, you have understood the products available and the impact of tomato on human health or the impact of lycopene on the human health. Let's now conclude. We have seen the importance of lycopene in controlling diseases. Lycopene is one of the important antioxidant, hence help in controlling many degenerative diseases. Lycopene has a vital role in prevention of prostate cancer, hence a supplementation is recommended in prostate cancer cases. Lycopene has a role in prevention and control of CAD, that is coronary artery disease, diabetes and skin aging to name few. Lycopene through tomatoes and other sources have been included in the diet. Hope you all have enjoyed the learning of this interesting lycopene, a red pigment that plays an important role in human health. Considerable proof shows that intake of lycopene rich food can help in preventive degenerative diseases, but a very limited studies have found a beneficial role of consumption of lycopene alone. The interaction of lycopene with other active compounds is crucial for attaining its ideal function in human health. On the other hand, some positive effects may be due to lycopene isomer or its metabolites, but the information about this is very limited. In addition, further studies on the biological activity of lycopene or with the combination with different compounds are necessary. Also, there are only limited studies on long-term intake of lycopene that might provide information about the upper limit intake. Now, the development of clean technology for high quality nutraceutical products is also needed for the promotion of lycopene consumption. However, further understanding of clinical aspects of lycopene, its mechanism of action towards diseases, bioavailability, bioaccessibility, recommended intake, interaction with other compounds and its metabolite activities are needed. It can be concluded that intake of lycopene along with adaptation of healthy lifestyle will definitely have a positive impact in preventing various degenerative diseases. Thank you, learners.